Hi, Billie the Artist here. Just a quick little vlog update. It has been quite a time, and it has been a long time since I was able to do a full how to draw lesson for all you folks out there who enjoy doing my lessons. And it's just been nuts for so many reasons, and again, we all know why. It's just been completely crazy, and we're all still here and we're still going. But I am now in a place where I'm even doing other work. You will have seen that I have done Jonathan Ray, 6 times World Superbike champion. This is Lewis Hamilton, 7 times Formula 1 champion. Again, working on this one. Got to get this finished. There's about half done, but I'll be doing that. But there is now new how to draw video is coming, and it is Johnny Depp as Captain Jack Sparrow. So this is now live on Patreon, link in the cards and in the description, and the time lapse is on there as well. So everything that I do now will be live first on Patreon. All of my lessons will be coming available on Patreon first. I have 3 tiers on Patreon, and the lowest tier is £3, and then the second tier is £6, and the top tier is £15. Now it's up to you. You get access to everything exactly the same in all 3 tiers, but it's what can you afford. And again, if you want to support me on Patreon, I would really appreciate that. I did launch it just over a year ago, then everything kind of fell apart and I couldn't carry on. So anyway, now I'm back at it. I will be doing at least 2 how to draw videos each month, which means 2 time lapses as well to accompany them at least. That's what I'm aiming to do. And I'm not only going to be doing these, I will be doing simpler ones. So Olaf is up there on Patreon as well as on the YouTube channel, but I will be doing cartoons and simple stuff and basics. I mean, I do show you how this is actually very, very basic, and that anyone can do it if you spend the time. So I take you from the very, very beginning, the very first pencil line, right the way to the finished drawing. Now again, up on Patreon, I'll just put Johnny out of the way, Captain Jack Sparrow. So up on Patreon right now there is Taylor Swift. I do also have Iron Man, there is also Spider-Man, there is also Matthew McConaughey and Black Widow, Scarlett Johansson. Now they are all up there. I will be putting the other videos, so things like Ariana Grande and KSI and all my other videos and all the Harry Potters will be going up on Patreon, and it is advert free. Now again, there is a monthly charge and there's plus VAT as well, but it's all there, and I want you to just learn and have as much fun as we possibly can. But everything will be going live on Patreon first, and I will be posting information videos like this about them. So what an amazing amount of time and fun that we are going to have. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. At the end there will be some snippets. Oh, not only that, you can support me. Please do like and subscribe. Forgot that at the beginning. I will kind of put the little logos up, but if you want to support me just on YouTube, you can now, down underneath where there's the like buttons and all that, there is something called Super Thanks, and it's a little love heart. You can actually give me a one-off donation direct through YouTube, and they give, again, 4 different tiers. I think it's 2, 5, 10 and 50. Anyway, that always 2, 5, 20 and 50, something like that, or it might even be 2, 10. Again, it's down there underneath the video, kind of above where the description is. So again, check that out, and if you want to support me that way, you can. But you can also go to buymeacoffee.com/theartofbilly. Patreon is patreon.com/theartofbilly. And again, link in the cards and the descriptions to everything for Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon. So if you want me to do a lot more videos, then share them like crazy. And that would be absolutely fantastic. Like I say, I am going to be doing a lot. I have a huge back catalogue that I can go at. There is so much to do. People keep on suggesting them. Thanks for your suggestions, but I've got to do what I want to do. And there is a huge list, and it's wonderful. And I love encouraging you all with your drawing and want you to learn and see how good it is. Again, I'll put the link in the cards in the description as well to some of your drawing 6. That was amazing, you know, to do that. I have now got 7 and 8. So pretty soon there will be 8 videos of people who have used my lessons to help them to learn to draw. And it's fantastic. It is such a joy to be able to do this. Anyway, thank you. All I can say is thank you. Please do buy me a coffee. Please do use the super thanks to tip me. Please do share the videos like crazy. Tell your friends. And again, if you can become a patron, that's brilliant. Again, share that out with your friends. Patreon.com/theartofbillie. Thank you so much. Enjoy Johnny Depp, because he will go live this weekend on Saturday, and the time-lapse will go live on Sunday. And I will also split Johnny into 3 or 4 parts, so that then the auto-generated subtitles will appear from YouTube, because this may be a bit long. It's a smidge under 5 hours. Anyway, it's a brilliant lesson. I had an absolute blast. The outline took ages to get down. It's absolutely great, and just a pleasure and a joy to do this and encourage you all in your drawing. So thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for people saying, you know, I am the only person who's kind of doing this, and I really appreciate that, and it's a joy. So anyway, thanks very much, and enjoy the lesson on Patreon if you want to, and enjoy it when it goes live on here. And there will be more very, very soon, but I will have to get this finished. Anyway, thank you so much. Take care. Ta-da. We can bring that up, and that touches where his lower lip is, of his lower part of his upper lip, where the moustache comes down under, and then we can bring the curve over, some tone going in onto his moustache, and I'm literally still using the flat of the pencil, then just some of the little scratchy details on the top of the part of that bone where it goes into Jack's hair, the string coming around. See, I'm just being very, very quick. Just to fill in the area as quick as possible. And then we've got just some indication of his eyelashes, but it's so dark the makeup just covers up his eyelashes completely. Again, I'm leaving the highlight here like we've got on this side, just a darken down, a real shadow coming down.